There's a certain magic to fishing, the peace of being on the water, the thrill of the fight when you've hooked a monster. But to land your catch, you need the right boat. It's your vessel to adventure, your trusty sidekick in the pursuit of aquatic trophies. Choosing the right fishing boat is like choosing the right fishing rod. It can make or break your trip. Just like you wouldn't use a fly rod for marlin, you wouldn't take a bass boat miles offshore. Different fish, different waters, different boats. We're here to help you navigate the exciting, sometimes overwhelming world of fishing boats. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you to find your perfect fishing companion. Get ready to discover the boat of your dreams and set sail for unforgettable fishing adventures. Please like, share and subscribe. Just like the fish we chase, fishing boats come in all shapes and sizes. Each type is designed for specific fishing styles and environments. First, we have small fishing boats. Think of these as your nimble kayaks, john boats, and skiffs. They're perfect for navigating shallow waters, small lakes, and rivers. Next up are center console boats. These are the workhorses of the fishing world. They're versatile, offering a stable platform for casting lines while having enough power to venture further offshore. Finally, we have the offshore behemoths. These large, powerful vessels are built for battling big game fish in the vast expanse of the ocean. Each type has its own unique advantages, and understanding them is crucial in choosing the right boat for your needs. Don't let their size fool you. These little boats are packed with fishing potential. Small fishing boats, like nimble kayaks and sturdy john boats, are perfect for anglers who value portability and affordability. Kayaks, especially fishing kayaks, have soared in popularity. They offer a stealthy approach, allowing you to sneak up on fish in shallow waters. John boats, with their flat bottoms and durable construction, are workhorses for navigating rivers, ponds, and small lakes. These boats are easy to transport, launch, and store, making them ideal for anglers with limited storage space or those who frequently fish different bodies of water. They might not be fancy, but they get the job done, providing a simple and rewarding fishing experience. The Swiss Army knives of the fishing world, center console boats offer the perfect blend of versatility, capability, and comfort. These boats are easily recognizable by their central control console and 360-degree fishability. They're larger than small fishing boats, providing more stability and a smoother ride, making them suitable for a wider range of water conditions. Center consoles are equally at home chasing bass in freshwater lakes, as they are battling snapper in coastal waters. With ample storage space, live wells for keeping your bait lively, and comfortable seating, they offer everything you need for a day of serious fishing. If you're looking for a boat that can do it all, the center console is a top contender. Section 5. Offshore Beasts, Taming the High Seas. For those who dream of battling marlin, tuna, and other behemoths of the deep, offshore fishing boats are the only option. These are the giants of the fishing world, built to withstand the harshest conditions the ocean can throw at them. They're longer, wider, and significantly more powerful than their smaller counterparts, boasting twin engines or even triple engines for maximum power and speed. Offshore boats are equipped with advanced navigation and fish-finding electronics, outriggers for trolling multiple lines, and fighting chairs for battling monster fish. These boats are a serious investment, designed for serious anglers who demand the best in performance and capability. If you're ready to answer the call of the open ocean, an offshore fishing boat is your ticket to adventure. Section 6. Hull types, navigating the waters of design. Just as important as the type of fishing boat is the type of hull it has. The hull, the underwater shape of the boat, significantly affects its performance, stability, and how it handles different water conditions. There are three main types of hulls: displacement hulls, planing hulls, and semi-displacement hulls. Displacement hulls are found on larger, heavier boats like sailboats and trawlers. They move through the water by pushing it aside, providing a smooth, stable ride even in rough seas. Planing hulls are designed to rise up and glide over the surface of the water at higher speeds. They're found on smaller, faster boats like runabouts and bass boats. Semi-displacement hulls are a hybrid of the two, offering a balance of stability and speed. They're commonly found on center console boats and some smaller offshore boats. Understanding the different hull types and their characteristics is essential in choosing a boat that performs well in the waters you plan to fish. Section 7. Material matters: wood, aluminum, fiberglass, or plastic. Once you've decided on the type of fishing boat and hull that suits your needs, it's time to consider the material. Fishing boats are commonly constructed from wood, aluminum, fiberglass, or plastic, each with its pros and cons. Wood, the classic boat-building material, offers timeless beauty and a traditional feel. Wooden boats require regular maintenance to preserve their beauty and integrity. Aluminum is durable, lightweight, and requires minimal maintenance, making it a popular choice for john boats and smaller fishing boats. However, aluminum can be noisy and doesn't hold its value as well as fiberglass. Fiberglass is the most popular material for modern fishing boats. It's strong, durable, and can be molded into complex shapes. Fiberglass requires less maintenance than wood, but can be more expensive to repair. Plastic, often used in kayaks and small fishing boats, is lightweight, affordable, and virtually indestructible. However, it can be less rigid than other materials and may not be suitable for larger boats. Section 8. Matching boat to catch. Finding your perfect fishing companion. Choosing the right fishing boat is like choosing the right fishing partner. It needs to be reliable, capable, and complement your fishing style. If you're a freshwater angler who loves exploring rivers, lakes, and ponds, a small fishing boat like a kayak or john boat is a great option. For anglers who want to venture further offshore in pursuit of larger fish, a center console boat provides the versatility and capability needed to handle a variety of fishing conditions. And for those who dream of battling the ocean's giants, an offshore fishing boat is the only way to go. Consider your budget, your fishing style, and the waters you plan to fish most often. Don't be afraid to ask for advice from experienced anglers or boat dealers. They can provide valuable insights and help you find the perfect fishing companion for years of enjoyment on the water. Section 9. Tight lines and happy hunting. Choosing a fishing boat is an exciting journey, and with the right knowledge, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect vessel for your fishing adventures. Remember to consider your fishing style, the waters you plan to fish, and your budget. Do your research, ask questions, and most importantly, have fun. The open water awaits, and with the right fishing boat by your side, you'll be reeling in memories for years to come. Tight lines and happy hunting. Please like, share, and subscribe to the No Frills family.